Start by logging into linnworks.net. Select the van icon on the left-hand menu to bring up the shipping menu, and then select integrations. GFS product support will have created all of the integrations to each carrier that you have available to you. To add services to each carrier, select the relevant GFS carrier integration and then click the service button, which is the last button on the right. This will bring up a window to add specific services. Click into the drop-down menu at the top and there will be a list of service descriptions. Select a service, click the add button and it will appear in your list. By default, the name of the service in Linnworks will match the service description provided by GFS. To rename the service to something else, there is a free text box under the Linnworks service header and the service can be renamed. This is useful if you have multiple contracts for the same carrier and need to differentiate the same service between those contracts. The next step is to click the edit button and in the route code drop down, the contract and number and service code will be displayed. This is what links the service in Linnworks to the contract and service in our GFS Selector dispatch system. If you have multiple contracts for the same carrier, then you need to select the correct contract number, which is displayed on the left. If you need any clarification about what the different contract numbers mean or what services you have available to you for each carrier, then speak to your GFS account manager or GFS product support. At the bottom you can select a default weight for the service, which will be used when no weight has been set for a specific product in your inventory, but this is optional. Click OK to save the changes. If there are more services to add, then repeat the previous steps, otherwise click Finish in the bottom right. If you need to make changes to the printer defaults for that carrier integration, then select the printer button. It will be set to print to PDF by default, but if you need to print the labels directly to a thermal printer, which is connected to the Linnworks virtual printer client, then select RAW 6x4 in the template drop-down, and then select the correct printer in the virtual printer drop-down. Then click OK. You can then assign the service to an order by selecting the Open Orders button in the Orders tab. Then right-click an order and select Shipping, Change Service, and then select the carrier and service of your choice. The order is then ready to print and you should receive your shipping label.